1, 2, 3, 4. YouTubers, this is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. Not Hollywood, Silver Lake, Los Angeles. Alright, so today we're doing a fun song on acoustic guitar. I figured out how to play this and it sounds good on the acoustic Halloween night. Let's go. So I'm in standard tuning. This song is normally in A flat, but we're gonna have to do it in G. Okay, if you want to mess around with capos, playing the same thing, that's fine, but this is the way to do it. Alright, so we're gonna be in A. We have F sharp over D to G. That's part of that main lick. So first finger, second fret, E string, low E string, 2G, 3B. That can be a little tricky to switch fast. So after the F sharp over D, I'm grabbing the G with third finger and pinky, and I'm muting the A string. To A major. That's over the G over A in the bass. So grab 5D, 4G, 3B, open high E string, and A in the bass. So an A sus. So move that shape up to 5, add pinky on 7G, and lift it up, make it A major. Pre-chorus, D major 7, 5, 7, 6, 7. So obviously this is not for beginners, this is harder with bar chords and stuff. D major 7, move that down to C sharp minor, let's see, yeah, C minor 7, bar 4 from A string, and then 6D, 5B, and then lift up third finger to F sharp major. 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Almost there. B minor. That's 2, 4, 4, 3. We're gonna end on an E sus 7. It's just barring 7 from A string all the way down to B. Don't play the high E string. And E in the bass. Let's do the pre-chorus again. D major 7. C sharp minor 7. This chord, whatever that is. 2. F sharp major. And then B minor. And D sus 7. Wahoo! Pre-chorus. D major 7. C sharp minor. F sharp major. B minor. Cool. Yeah, this song works great in acoustic. It wouldn't work in A flat. I mean, we'll have to figure that out with a capo. But this works great in A. Yeah, cool. Trying to figure out what chord this is, but it doesn't really matter. Some kind of sus thing with C sharp in the bass. All right, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps. Have fun with this song on acoustic guitar. Great. All right. See you tomorrow. Happy Halloween. Ooh, scary.